Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Persistent Systems. Our analyst maintains buy on Persistent System with a price target of Rs 6,000 as we believe the company can continue to consistently perform aided by resilient high-tech vertical, robust deal wins and strong deal pipeline. We expect 17% sales and 22% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26. Amongst verticals, high-tech vertical has shown greater resilience, growing at CQGR of 5% over Q1 FY23 to Q1 FY24, higher than BFSI and healthcare and life science vertical, which have grown at CQGR of 3.7% and 2.2% respectively. Growth across high-tech continues to lead due to resilience from the largely non-discretionary product engineering segment. Further, incremental deals win over past several quarters have aided in increasing market share in product engineering segment. While BFSI and healthcare and life science are expected to witness slowdown for a couple of quarters, however, positive signs of stabilizing client engagement is emerging. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.6 times its FY25 estimated EPS and 23.8 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next we cover Thermax. Our analyst reiterates buy on Thermax as its annual report focuses on tapping opportunities in green energy in both domestic and overseas market. Contribution of high margin and low capital intensive product and service business has also increased to 49% versus 38% in FY22 in order bookings. We believe that apart from traditional business, its new focus areas, BOO model for wind and solar projects and new product in chemical business would yield result in the long term. Further, low debt, cash and investment of Rs 25-24 crore and a lean working capital cycle gives us comfort. We build in a 15% revenue and 29% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26 and roll forward our estimates to September FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.